Hello traders, let's trade. Okay, you're welcome to today's synthetic analysis with Deriv. So today is Monday, the 27th of April 2026. So let's be starting up with the fundamental with the volatility at 75 seconds. And of course, this is the 24-hour chart. Now we can actually see a level right here on 24 hours. Okay. You can see this level. So go back to our 4 chart. Let's see what really that level represents. If you have any reason to actually adjust that level to keywords that are levels for us, all right, I think it's actually okay. Yeah, it's let me just make it a little bit wider to cover up for some. Okay, so now you can see these working below this. Now I'm not really expecting yet a bearish move. No, I'm actually still very much bullish on it. I still want to see the market actually closing in inside this level right here. So that means what I'm expecting today on volatility is the market actually closing into this level. Stop loss is gonna be below. Wherever it stops, the stake pop is gonna be somewhere around this level. But then let's go back to the 15-minute chart. Let's see what really is going on. Let me delete this first. And I can see it's actually still looking very, very, there is no bullish sentiments yet. So for now, I'm not really going to do anything on volatility 75 seconds. I'm neither going bullish nor going bearish. So I'll just keep fingers first. If I want to go bearish, that has to be that the market starts showing signs that the market is ready to continue going bearish on the higher time frame. Therefore, now on the higher time frame, the 4 chart that I used previously, can see that the market has not really through any full confirmation that it really want to break below these levels and continue going bearish, except this level actually gets hold by this kind of fully closing bearish chain. I can actually say, yes, this is actually a good signal for us. But remember, this candle that get rejected, closing in an armor form, and of course, you can see then the bullish candlestick fully closed again. So that's why I said it's not yet confirmed. So until this candle closes, the next candle gives me indication they're gonna look, okay, yes, we are going to go long or short on volatility 5 months. So for now, I'm not really doing anything. I just keep fingers crossed and see what really happens at big goals. Bye. All right, so that was 75 more seconds. So let's go back to 75. Let's see what is going on right there. I just think you're not familiar with this broker. The program is actually Deriv. Actually, they are currently running a program from 15th of April, that's 30th of May, where they give you double of your deposit. That means whatever deposit, if that's for first timers, that means if your first time you're actually using their, what's it called, their platform, where any then deposit you make from 15th of April down to 30th of May, they'll be doubling it for you. Please take note, the bonus interest is now is not withdrawable. They can actually use to trade. All right, so let's go over to volatility 75. And just in case you need the link to the broker, I will leave it in the description where you can have access to my Telegram. For my Telegram, you can get access to the link right there. Okay, so let's see what really is happening on volatility 75 all right now. Okay, so we're breaking below this. It's actually a good bullish sign. But let's see if that's gonna hold. Is it gonna really break below this? Far below this closing highs on your anchor. Trying to move back unable to, they're showing signs of bearish move again. Then the glass broke shorts on volatility 75. So that means my entry is gonna come in somewhere around this level. Stop loss is gonna be above this level. Then my take profit minimum of 1 to 2 weeks to reward ratio. All right, so this is what I'll be targeting for today on volatility 75. All right, so you go to the next one, which is the boom index. That's up with the 500. All right. For 500, we're gonna see the market were actually very much bullish. You can see it trying to have a pullback or a retracement. But then let's see where the retracement is gonna stop. Let's go back to 15-minute charts. Let's see where we expect the market to continue the bullish move. Now, judging week, you can actually see that you're actually having lost momentum already. The market could be losing its momentum. So for now, I won't be taking any trade yet because the might actually choose to continue moving bearish or go over speculation. So for now, I won't be taking any trade. Please take note, it's better not to trade than taking trades that you're not too sure of. So boom, 500 for today. For this moment, I really don't see any trade opportunities. I won't be seeing going long or going short on 500. So I just let it go. Except maybe later on in the day, it's actually full sets up and I can say, okay, I'm going long, I'm going short. Of course, I'll keep you informed in our next analysis. So just stay tuned as we go over to the next one, which is 1,000. Okay, for our charts. All right, now this for 1,000 on the 4-hour charts. I see kind of similar to that of what's it called? 500. Looking at it, it's not giving any guarantee of bullish or bearish sentimental yet. You can see it's actually still going bearish. I'm not really comfortable with the formation. It's just moving slightly bearish move, which is not really guaranteed that you don't really profit on it yet. Except that say good moves on a bearish. That's why you can say, okay, yes, I want to go short on 1,000. But still, let's go back to 15-minute chart. Let's see what the candlestick is to stay around that level. Now, the only with this kind of formation, I already see like it's already keeping us on bullish move already. So that's play that nothing is elegant because if you actually go long on this, you're gonna put your stop loss there. Don't be surprised, it's gonna take out your stop loss and start moving bearish. I've actually go so if you're gonna go long, you're gonna put your stop loss somewhere around this level. Don't be surprised, I can actually see go bearish. Remember, it's already bearish and same time it's already bullish. So I would suggest leaving or staying out of 1,000 for now until the market gets up. And of course, I will keep you informed our next analysis also. So let's go back to crash. Let's see if we're going to see anything on that. If we don't see two, continue moving. And of course, there's always opportunity coming ahead. Okay, so this crash. Let's go back to the 4-hour charts. Okay, it's actually bullish, but they got some bearish moves. So let's see again. Where do you anticipate an end to that? Or it's supposed to be a what's it called? A reversal. Right? So let's see what really is going to happen when the market actually gets started. So you're going to see the market. If you see the market now waking, let's see, let me use this that I choose this. Then if we tested this again, if breaking above this recent high that because we long on crash 5 on the sophisticated of that. So that's where my bullish comes in. But then if I have to break below this and continue moving bearish, at the bullish short on crash 5. So take note of where you happen at the close 5. All right, that's it. Go to the final one, which is our crash 1,000. Okay, to the 4-hour chart also. Actually, looking very bearish. So that means if you look for bearish setup, so long as it's below this level, then go back to the let me mark the level of box. I think I can see it clear as that. Let me use 1-hour chart to mark it. This level, I'm afraid to. As long as I see below this level, I'll be looking for short rates on crash 1,000. And so for now, I'm not really seeing any short rate yet. So let's see, maybe as we go by, you'll be seeing some short rates on crash 1,000. But I want to see demand actually closes somewhere below this and thing, maybe breaking below this. That pretty short on that. Going short, somewhere around this level. My stop loss can be here. So let's see how it goes on the high of 10. If you actually get to this level, that's another entry point for us to pay close attention to. All right, giving us to the end of the analysis with Deriv. Remember just what I said. I said we do this frequently. So just in case you the first time across my videos, please do it. Make sure you just subscribe the community by the subscribe bell and don't wear the bell icon so you get notified once we post the next video. And please watch this on Facebook, TikTok. Please hit the follow button and don't create a thumbs up. I can do it to share this to your friends and colleagues if you actually need this information. That said, I wish you a profitable day trader here. Please stay safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.